lesson of Live and Learn Italian. So we're gonna see a typical Italian breakfast at home. So we have coffee, latte, biscotti e zucchero, and we're gonna make an amazing cappuccino. Today we're gonna see the irregular verb fare and a few prepositions. Fare il cappuccino, in order to make a cappuccino, you need to put 1 shot of coffee in the cup, if you're not sure how much you need, and then you're gonna add the hot milk with foam. The verb fare, which is an irregular verb and is very important, is to make and to do. Fare goes into io faccio, tu fai, lui masculine fa, lei feminine fa, noi, so we, facciamo, voi, you plural, fate, loro, somewhere, fanno. Allora, adesso versiamo il latte nell'aereocino. Don't have the aereocino, you can buy one frullino, I guess on Amazon. E adesso versiamo, we pour the hot milk into the cup. So let's see with the foam. So what we did, we poured, versare, abbiamo versato il latte nella tazza. So we used in plus la, it makes feminine, nella, in, the. E adesso facciamo colazione, so we have breakfast with an amazing cappuccino. Veramente delizioso. Buonissimo. E adesso facciamo colazione with an amazing cappuccino. Rifallo. And adesso, no.